So I'm gonna show you today how to install roof bars on fixed points roof. This is a 3-door Corsa, but you can also install it on similar models, and I'll show you later how to check the compatibility. So I'm gonna firstly show you how to find the right roof rails for your car. We have here the different types for roof cars. We have the bare roof. We have one with 4 screw holes, 2 on each side, or what's called the fixed point, which is what I'm gonna show you later in the video. And then we have the rails, and they could be flush or raised. So to find the right roof rails for your car, you could go to any car parts shop online, and most of them they'll ask you to put your car plate number and they'll get you the right product. Actually, when I firstly looked in Halfords, they didn't have this roof bars, which why it took me a bit of time to figure out the right product, which why I initially wanted to do this video. But when I came later to make this video, I found now that they do have it. So I actually bought mine, which you'll see in this video, from eBay. And one more thing about this seller, I didn't know them before, but I messaged them and they have an excellent customer service. I messaged them with my car plate number, and I think they asked me to send a couple of photos, and then they recommended or they confirmed that this product is suitable for my car. So if you were not sure, you can message them. They're really helpful. And also later on, one of the parts, which is the rubber cover, you can see it later in the video, was a bit damaged. I messaged them and they replaced it straight away. So this is how the roof look like, and the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the anchor points. So using any normal flat screw, push the arrow at the end of the cover and then slide. So do that for the 4 sides, and this is how it should look like. So we're gonna measure center to center for the back point and then for the front point. In my car, that was 97 centimeters and 88. Okay, so we have here the box, and once you open it, you'll find 2 roof bars, a box of metal clips, nuts and bolts, a bag with plastic caps, and then a rubber seal or 2 rubber seals. So the first thing that you need to do is to adjust the plastic bases to the measurements which you have in your car. Mine was 97, so using the hex key which comes in the box, I'm just gonna unscrew the base, slide it to the right measurement, and then just tighten it again. And now we're just gonna grab the metal clip and just put it in this slot. Now get the bolt and the washer and then pop them through the hole. Now hold the nut on the other side and then using the hex key, tighten it. I didn't tighten it fully until I put the second bolt, and then I fully tightened both of them. And as you can see now, it's all tightened up and none of the parts are loose. So let's assemble the plastic cover now. Take the pin and make sure you slot it in the right direction. You'll see in a moment the cross shape on the other side, which is why I aligned it vertically. Now just fit the cover in place and tighten it using the hex key. And now we need to fit the rubber cover, so just insert it in a way where the metal clip goes through the rectangular hole. Now to install the rubber seal, just place it in this slot, and then I'm gonna just mark the length that I'd need, and just simply cut it with scissors. Now just pop it in and slide it along to cover the whole gap. Now let's cover the small gap at the back of the base. So same thing, I'll place the seal first, measure it, cut it to size, and then fit the right sized piece into the void. Now repeat the same steps on the other bar and you'll have the two roof bars ready to be installed. So now that the bar is already cut to the correct length and securely tightened, the installation on the roof should be straightforward. I'll start by placing it into the first slot, making sure that it sits properly where the metal clips are positioned under the base plate. And then I'm just going to go now to the opposite side to check that everything aligns and the bar is in the correct position there as well. So now I'm on the other side, adjusting the metal clip like I did with the first side. So I have tightened that side, and now on this side I'll just make sure that it's positioned well, and I'm just gonna tighten it again on this side until it's fully tightened. And check again this side, and I'm just checking now that it's fully secure and there are no movements. And now finally we just push the two pins inside the two holes. And that's it, you've got your roof bars ready to go.